What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Solana. We hit our target zone and now we're seeing a rejection. We're sitting at $62. We're up 0.92 on the day. See market cap 26.37 million. 24-hour volume 3.94 million. So if we look at the chart, perfectly pushed up to our wave 5 target zone. And now we're seeing a rejection. Of course, the wave 5 can overextend. But we already reached the normal target, so if we pull back from here, we'll be looking for a pullback in between $43, the 50% fib, the 78.6% fib at $28, and that's when I'll give another signal for a long trade. We already locked in over 100% profit on our last Solana trade. We absolutely crushed it. So if we pull back from here, that's what we'll be looking for. If we put in a higher high, it is what it is. I'm not going to FOMO into Sol. I'm going to wait for that pullback. We have 4-hour bearish divergence, and that will give us our next trade opportunity. As you can see, we pushed right up into the resistance that we dropped in the last video. So it would be healthy to see some pullback, come back down to the EMAs, as we are quite overextended for our friend Solana. So that's what I'm looking for. If we end up putting in a higher high, it is what it is. But we have done everything we need to complete this impulse. So if we pull back from here, that will give us our next long opportunity in between $28 and $43. We're currently in 2 gala trades. Crushed it on Sol. We crushed it on Ethereum. My signals are $10 a month. First sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. Starting tomorrow till December 1st, you can win free AirPods as well as AirPod Max. All details will be in the description. You can check out the links there. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. Yeah, sign up to BITUNIX. All links down below. My signals are $10 a month. It gives you access to my VIP rooms in the Discord, daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, some of them are absolutely crushing it. My Forex signals, we're currently in silver. We're up 1,400 pips. We're looking to get in gold. US oil just hit our 3rd take profit. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex, all for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. So make sure to check out the links down below. Sign up to BITUNIX. Sign up to the Discord if you'd like to through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.